Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as having a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and you're now playing. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. As well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off, as well as having a premium B&O sound system so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate as well as heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl modes. So you have quite some customizability there for your driving experience. Moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Then moving down, you have a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Then moving on to your center console, where you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders, your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.